Hello, we have a new feature we have to talk about, which is the brand new Build with AI funnel builder. This is also live in websites, and then a separate video, I'm going to go over the email version. So we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. So, AI funnel builder, this is how it's essentially going to look. Over here, you're going to see the assist area. So, name of the funnel page, I'm just going to name this Hacking High Level Sales Page. Business niche. We'll do coaching and consulting. Goal of this funnel is going to be, let's do sell memberships. Target audience. Small business. What are you offering? So we are offering a subscription. Okay. And then you can actually come in here. I'm hacking high level, targeting small businesses. So subscription offering. Okay, this is an educational based membership with tutorials, troubleshooting, help with the... Okay, my grammar is probably really bad. Don't judge me. I'm just going to add just a little bit more information so it has it. I'm also going to get blinded by the sun. Okay, you're going to see, I'm going to pause for a second while it kind of does this little thinking thing, but if it does it for you, totally normal. All right, so it does take a couple minutes. Don't panic when it, takes a little while. Sorry, I have the worst lighting all the time right now. But what you're going to see is that, hey, we have a sales page that I can go ahead and actually adjust to literally anything. So you can click, you can adjust. It's going to let you use the builder as you would normally, but then you can also click into, so let me just click here and say, okay, our subscription plans are $14 monthly, or let's say 147 yearly. Please adjust accordingly. Okay. It might take another minute, so I'm going to pause again. Okay, so just pop back with another question. Should I replace 3 pricing tiers? If yes, do you want us both buttons to read? Yes, please do that. Please replace 3 options that I gave you. CTA for the buttons, since we don't for a free trial. Okay. So essentially, just like any other AI, you're going to kind of go back and forth to get it where you want it. You can see that it obviously went ahead and pretty much did everything as far as links, and not all the information is going to be correct. But it did generate the images. All of the images also have alt text for SEO. And then your general site builder is also going to have your SEO options as well already filled in. So it does certainly help and allows you to kind of shortcut. You can add images for references, things like that. You can add tags, so you can actually tag. You can see as I'm clicking, it's tagging these different options. So it's going to continue adjusting based on what I'm clicking. CTA preference, show. Let's adjust this. Should go to the next step, and let's go with option 2. Okay, so again, we're going to go back and forth. It's going to continue adjusting all of these things, but you still have your option to use the actual editor as well. So you're never kind of locked in with the AI. You can always access it. So if I exit, I can access that AI right here, and we can go with assist, we can go with build, and then you're good to go. It's just basically going to shortcut the time actually building out the funnel, especially for like the framework around the funnel itself. Obviously, this may not be perfect. It's not really following like our brand guide or anything, but it's 100% easier for me to go in and like replace these colors really quickly than it would be if I had actually no starting basis whatsoever. So if you have questions, let us know. We're going to dive into the email AI in another video.